Hey guys, what's up? So today we're trying to get the full 2000 Gs on Bomb, Bull, and X. This is published by Desert Water Games, and this is a triple stack. So we have a Windows version, Xbox One, and an Xbox Series XX version. So you get this 3 times for a total of 6,000 gamer score. The game was just released a couple days ago. As I'm recording this on February 11th, and already has a 2000 G update. So I did want to wait for the 2000G update to happen because I know they usually update pretty fast. So we do it all in one video. The 2000G, if you already have the 1000G, the 2000G would literally take you like 1 minute to do. All you have to do is, let's see, go to your achievement list right here. So you want to complete the first 24 levels, and then that'll give you the full 2000Gs. But if you already did the first 1000G, all you want to do is for the, these right here, just load up the levels. So load up level, 17, 19, 21, 22, 24. So load up those levels, and then that's it. It literally took you 1 minute to do. But for the full 2000 Gs or the base 1000 Gs, will take you around like 15 minutes. But there's a trick, there's a hint mode which makes it 10 times easier. So like literally take you like 10 to 15 minutes to do. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you unlock it. It's really easy. So first off, click the play button or click the levels. But if you actually go to the level selection, you can see on the bottom way the hints. You have to complete the first 12 levels, and then it'll give you the option to do the hints. But up until those first 12 levels, you could press the left, the left button of the Xbox symbol, and then actually tells exactly where to put the bombs at. So it's also, but you don't really need it because it's so easy. So on the top left is how many bombs you have per level, and then you press Y if you make a mistake and restart the level. But it's really that easy, guys. Once you get to level 12, all you have to do is just complete the hint levels, which you don't get a hint for those levels, but they're really easy. I'm going to show you to complete them. And then those will literally tell you exactly where to put the bombs at. So it's really easy. If you're having trouble with any levels, I'll try to leave a timestamp. If not, just search through my video to find the level, but hopefully I'll leave a timestamp for you guys to make it easier. But if you guys enjoy these videos, let me know down below. And yeah, so first we're going to get to level 12, and then once we get to level 12, I will pick back up with the commentary. So this might take a couple minutes or a couple seconds, but yeah, it's all eventually going to fall. Just going to give it a couple seconds. And I believe the pins have to like fall out of the map. That's actually how you unlock the how you like complete the levels. Like if they fall but don't like fall off the map, I don't think that counts. So here I messed up. So no, I could jump back up if I couldn't make the jump. Okay, and then obviously like these are pretty like common sense because like you just put it down there. I think the game has a cool concept. I mean, I love bowling, but like I don't know, you don't really see that many games like this, so this is pretty cool. And again, you always for the first 12 levels, you do have like a little like guide, but after the first 12 levels, it actually literally tells you where you put down the bomb. So here, I believe we did here first. I'm not sure it's gonna complete the level because of that. Oh, okay, never mind. The bomb's gonna blow it up anyway. All right, and then just put the bomb down here. Bomb can't kill you. You have to for like 1 or 2 levels. You have to use the bomb to actually like make a jump. And there was a glitch on level 17. A lot of people were saying, but like on Xbox One version. But that's not the case anymore. At least not for me. But with the hint mode, just put exactly what it shows you for the hints, and you guys should be good. So just keep that in mind as well. So here it just tells you to hit it off. There's actually no good hint, but it's really easy to figure out. Like obviously you want to put it down there. And here, you can just knock it over here. The balloons you can just pop. But yeah, I'll pick up back the commentary when we get to level 12 to show you guys the solutions for the 4 hint levels, which are super easy. Alright, so now what we're going to do is complete the hint levels. You don't have to, but like it just makes it 10 times easier. So, also, as you see what I did there, when the bomb like about to explode, you want to jump and then it pushes you in the air. You have to do that for like 2 levels. It's not too hard though. But what I try to do is when the bomb blinks with 3 times, that's when I jump. Okay, just like it is now. Alright. There's no hints for this one, unfortunately, but it's really easy. So for this first one, just put it in the middle, and that should complete the full level 1 of the hit mode. Alright, level 2, you want to put both of them here. So, alright, so you want to put both of them down like that. It took me like a couple seconds to find this out, but I mean, it wasn't too hard, but because you literally can't like go anywhere. Like, I mean, technically you go like all around here, but like you can't really do much like over there. So, just like that. Alright, the third one, you want to put this one in the middle. I mean, it's pretty simple. And then we're going to put this one right here, and then the last one, you can guess it, goes on the right side. That's it. And then the last level, it's kind of like this one, but like it's one more bomb. You have 4 bombs, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so this is easy. So what I'm going to do is put that down there. Now obviously it's going to go this way. Put that down there. Okay, and then put that one right here, and then you want to go over here to the right, and that's it. Put the bomb over here to the right, and then that should finish the level. So now you have all the hints will be unlocked after you complete this level, and the game will be so much easier. It literally tells you where to put the bombs at, but just in case you guys don't know how to get to there, or whatever the case is, I'm still going to do the guide for the rest of the achievements. Alright, so congratulations, hints are activated. So shout out to Dev for making the game a lot easier by putting those hints in. So now, continue off on level 12, and when you press the select button or whatever, yeah, select, it tells you exactly where to put the bombs at. And then, yeah, so one right there. And then the other one goes down there. So now we can do this one right here, and the level will be completed. Gonna hit that over here and hit the last pin. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off the commentary. If I do need to put back on a commentary, I will. But as of right now, I don't think I have to. One's not too hard, but I'm just going to show you exactly how you want to do it. So we can look at our hints. So you can't really get down there, so just kick this one over here, and then you want to push this one down here. Alright, and then go over to the left, and then you want to push this one down that, and then go over here first, and then hit this one off. Alright, so here what we want to do is, it doesn't really matter first. Okay, go right here, and then you want to push this one right here. Okay, and then last one, just put down right here. And that should be that completion. Alright, okay, so this one right here, you want to jump. So when it hits 1, 2, 3, jump. There you go, it'll hit you over here. And then you want to do the same thing. So you want to go here, and you want to time it. 1, 2, 3, jump. And that's it. And you're over here, hit that one down there. And then jump over here, hit that one down there. It's not too hard to time it correctly, but yeah, you get used to it. It's not too bad. Alright, this one right here, and then want to push this one over there, and then knock this one out. Slide it under there. Then we want to press X to throw the bomb down there. That'll be this level completion. Then it's only the first 20. Once you complete the 24th level, that's all the achievements so far. When there are more achievements added, I'll definitely let you guys know. So stay tuned. Okay. So this one, easy. You just want to put it on 3 right there. Put it right there. And then right there. That's it. That should complete the level. Just wait for the one at the bottom to the other one. Okay. Alright, we're on level 24, so I believe after this one we should have the full. Alright, so this one just hit it right here. Yeah, so you want to try not to be too close to it. So like right there. That should be good. Alright, and this one, we just push it down there. Alright, and last but not least, just put this good on here. Actually, no, you have to go down there. Just push it down there. And that should be your full completion. Strike. Alright, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. When we do get more achievement updates for this game, I'll definitely let you guys know. So make sure you guys are subscribed and with the notification bell turned on. And also, like I said, just this is a triple stack, so you get 6,000 Gs and really simple and easy achievements. So, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.